Welcome back. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about the YouTube TV free trial and how to make the most of it before starting a paid subscription. Let's get started. Step 1. Who is eligible for the free trial? YouTube TV offers a free trial to new subscribers only. If you have never signed up for a YouTube TV free trial before, you are eligible to try the service at no cost. During the trial, you can access more than 100 channels and may also be able to test additional networks and add-ons. Step 2. How to sign up. Getting started is very simple. All you need to do is sign up for YouTube TV and add a valid payment method. If you qualify, your free trial will begin immediately. Step 3. Trial duration and billing. The length of the free trial can vary. When the trial ends, your account automatically converts to a paid membership. You will be charged the standard price for the base plan, plus any add-on subscriptions you selected. This billing date then becomes your recurring monthly payment date. Step 4. Cancel or pause your membership. If you decide YouTube TV is not right for you, you can cancel or pause your membership at any time. This gives you complete flexibility based on your needs. Step 5. Make the most of the free trial. During your trial, you can explore all of YouTube TV's features. One of the best features is unlimited DVR storage. You can record as many shows, movies, and sports events as you want. All of your recordings are stored in the Library tab for easy access. Step 6. Share with family members. You can share YouTube TV with up to 5 additional family members. Each person gets their own profile and personal DVR library. Step 7. Check how many days are left. To see how much time remains in your free trial, open the YouTube TV app. Tap your profile picture. Go to Settings, then select Membership. You'll see exactly how many days are left before billing begins. Step 8. Why you might see a charge. If you notice a charge after signing up, it may be an authorization hold. This is a temporary verification used to confirm that your payment method is valid. In most cases, it is not an actual charge. Step 9. Forgot to cancel and got charged. If you forgot to cancel before the trial ended, you can request a refund. If the refund is approved, your access will end immediately and the money will be returned. Step 10. Accidentally canceled the free trial. If you cancel the free trial, it cannot be reactivated. Your access ends immediately. However, you can sign up for a paid membership at any time if you want to continue using the service. Final summary. The YouTube TV free trial is a great way to test over 100 channels, unlimited DVR, and family sharing without risk. Just keep track of your remaining trial days so you can avoid unexpected charges. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.